Hey everyone, welcome back to another video on Get Droid Tips, and in this video I would like to talk about how to fix the Roblox error code 268, which is you have been kicked out due to an unexpected client behavior error which is happening for many of the users, and how we can fix this up. So let me directly get into this step. So the first one is all about what we need to do is we just need to go over here, search for CMD and click on Run as an Administrator, go for yes. Now we need to give a command which I'll be giving in the description so you don't have to worry. Type IP config space slash flush DNS. Press enter. That will be resolving the cache. You should be getting a message like successfully flushed the DNS resolver cache. Next one, we need to type IP config space slash and we need to type release. Now we need to press enter, so this will be done, and we have to type the last and the least one, that is IP config space slash renew, and you have to press enter. Now you can see these are the steps that you have to do. As you can see, it is successfully done. Now close this and you have to go over here in the Roblox and you have to try it. Still, if there is an issue, we need to move to the next one. That is all about go over here in the search for add or remove programs, click on this one and search for the Roblox here. We need to search for the Roblox at the top, search for the Roblox, and if you find the Roblox for player for admin, this will click on this three dot and go for the uninstall. After the uninstalling is done, you just need to open your Google Chrome and go back over here in the Roblox. Over here in the Google Chrome, search for the download the Roblox and you have to re-download it and reinstall it back. This might help in most cases. And also what we need to do is we have to try, after trying with this, we have to try two important steps. One is what we need to do is we just need to go over here, search for the run like this, or you can press the Windows icon and R together, so we'll be having a shortcut like this. Now you have to type %local app data %, and that's all you have to type over here. Go for the OK. Right now what we need to do is we just need to scroll down and you have to check whether you're able to find the folder named Roblox. Open this, and if you find the folder over here in the Roblox, you just need to go back. You just need to right click over here and go to the trash icon and delete the respective folder for the Roblox. After it is done, close this and go back with your Roblox player and you have to check. Still, if you're having the trouble, what we need to do is we just need to go over here. You have to search for the ms config like this, so you'll be getting system configuration. And the first one, what we need to do, just go over here, select this one, select startup over here, and make sure that you have to put a check on both the boxes, load system service and the load startup items. Now go for the services, go for hide all Microsoft services, go for disable or go to apply and go for OK and do a restart. Once the restart is done, go back and try launching the Roblox. Most probably this should be completely fixed, and I hope this quick video is helpful. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more notification. See you soon next video. Bye.